So for most campsites, the summer and the season have come to an end. In this video, we'll show you how to help your safari tent get through the winter safely and neatly. That way your safari tent will be in perfect condition again in the spring. Make sure you have everything you need at hand. What do you need? Cleaning supplies, tools such as water pump pliers, the ladder, antifreeze if necessary, pruning shears, silicone spray, and a waterproof cover for the mattresses and cushions. Start with the plumbing. Close the main valve in the boiler cabinet and drain all the pipes. Leave all the taps open so the water can drain out completely, and hang the shower head down so no water remains there either. Tip: there is often still a small amount of water left in the pipes. Are you expecting a hard frost at night? Then blow out the pipes with the compressor. Next, flush the toilet so the water disappears from the cistern. There will always be a small layer of water left in the bowl. So is it going to freeze? Then pour antifreeze into the bowl and the traps to prevent freezing. After that, continue with the electrical appliances. Unplug everything and drain the dishwasher thoroughly. Is there a chance of frost? Store appliances with circuit boards, such as the dishwasher and coffee maker, indoors in a dry, frost-free space. Then turn off the refrigerator. Clean it and defrost the freezer. Leave the doors open for ventilation. Now bring the patio furniture and cushions inside and store them in the tent. The mattresses and cushions can stay in the tent provided they are in a waterproof cover. These are available from us if needed. Don't have a cover? Then we recommend storing them in a dry place. Tip: make sure that no furniture is placed against the canvas. This way, the canvas can breathe and no chafing spots will form. Also check the surroundings. Make sure the tent is free from overhanging branches and bushes, and ensure there is ventilation in the tent. Tip: make sure to open 2 windows opposite each other so the tent can air out well during the winter. Finally, give the tent a thorough final check. That way, you won't be faced with any surprises in the spring. Tighten all the ratchets so the roof is taut, but be careful, tight is tight. Tip: are the zippers a bit stiff? Treat them with silicone spray. This will extend the lifespan of the zipper. There you go, now your tent is completely ready for its winter sleep. That way you won't be faced with any surprises in the spring. Good luck.